Hey everyone, welcome back to my chatty, sassy corner here on YouTube where we talk about all things luxury, be it luxury fashion, luxury travel, or life's luxuries in general. Now today I am going to be doing a what fits in this Prada camera bag. I will be showing you guys every combination that I can think of stuff to put in this bag, and I hope that is informative for you if you have been considering a camera style bag or a crossbody travel bag from Prada. So with that, let's get into it. Okay, so here we are with the camera bag, and I just want to show some different types of things that can fit. So the first thing that you're going to want to take with you is, of course, going to be a wallet. So I'm going to show my small wallet first, and then I'll show the room with a card holder. Now, another thing that I like to have with me when I'm traveling is my sunglasses. These are in a hard case. Something that is very important to my mother when traveling is to have her med kit with her, and so this is a very large pouch, but this could also represent a mini pochette if that's something that you enjoy carrying with you. Then next, another essential is going to be your cell phone. And then I'm also going to put in a bag hook and some car keys. Now, when I do this, this makes this bag pretty full. I probably wouldn't want to stuff it anymore, although I could definitely fit something like some tissues on top of the sunglass case here. So still plenty of room, but if I were to take out my wallet and then replace that wallet with instead a card holder and do a little bit of rearranging as things fall around, I can also add in my passport, which I think is really important if you're going to be traveling, that you are able to fit that in your bag. I will also be able to put in my, well, maybe not my Calvi Duo, but my Bastia can go in. I can fit in a pin. And again, I still have some room on top for putting in something like a lipstick or a cosmetic compact for powder. And then when I zip up this bag, it's probably puffing a little bit because of the sunglass case, so let me rearrange it. So the sunglass case is now on top. And you can see everything that I just put in that bag still fits really well without having bulging on the sides. So this is definitely a very, very roomy camera bag, particularly when you are using a card holder wallet.